everyone. My name is Uzma Nehmat. I come from Bangalore. I am one of the youth of LP4Y. I'll give you a brief presentation of LP4Y and Connect for Change. LP4Y Life Project Plan for Youth is an NGO opened its first center in 2009 in Philippines. They help excluded young people aged 17 to 24. Our pedagogy is based on three pillars: LPM, Life Project Money, and MEI, Microeconomic Initiative, and PTE, Professional Training for Entrepreneurs. It is a 6-month program divided into 3 parts: autonomy, responsibility, and management. There are 3 steps because in each step we will learn different skill and know how to become independent and motivated professional, and to reach our goals and find a decent job every day. In our center we do projects and tasks. We take care about MEI, and we get motivated and we get confidence by doing our projects and tasks. We learn how to take initiative. In Connect for Change, that is MEI, and its objective is to provide the computer training to the community around the center. Here it is easier to find a job when we have computer skills. The training is for excluded women from 17 years old, and we motivate to find a decent job. Before we used to give 2 trainings in a center in a week, and now we have improved and more people wants to come in our training. So we decided to give a training in a week, twice a time.
It is important to give training on digital technologies because it is useful for both professional and personal life. As we all know, the whole world is working on digital technologies. We need to have IT skills to find a decent job with good salary. The topics of the trainings are digital tools. We will teach them the basics of computers. We will teach them how to create an email account from Gmail and how to send a message. And also we will teach them how to write a letter in MS Word and how to create a spreadsheet in Excel. For me, everything we teach is important.
In our society, there are discrimination between men and women. For example, men can study and go for work, but women does not have rights to be independent. Here, women have low access to technologies. That's why the beneficiary of the trainees are women of community. It is good for community to receive this training because in DJ Halli there is no other low-cost trainings, and some people are suffering from financial problems. By giving trainees to community, I learned how to manage the team and time. Beside of that, I improved my professional communication skills and I learned how to be patient.
When I am giving the training, I feel like I am the leader who is managing the whole class. I have 3 youths from program who are supporting me to complete the training on time. I have the responsibility to guide them. When I will be explaining, they will help the trainees.
Thank you for listening to me, and I wish you a beautiful day.